If you've ever tried cooking a large turkey for a family gathering and ended up with dry breast meat, uneven browning, or a pan that feels like it's fighting against you the whole time, you already know the problem usually isn't the recipe. It's the cookware. Because when heat doesn't distribute properly, or when your pan can't hold moisture the right way, even a well-prepared meal can come out disappointing. That's exactly the kind of frustration the Granite Bowl turkey roaster pan is designed to reduce, especially for people cooking bigger meals for holidays, family dinners, or special occasions where there's no room for guesswork. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first look, this roaster has a more traditional, almost old-school feel, but with a modern durability upgrade. The enamel-coated carbon steel construction gives it a solid, grounded presence that immediately feels more dependable than lightweight, disposable-style roasting trays. It's not overly delicate, but it also doesn't feel like something you have to wrestle with every time you lift it. The oval shape is designed with purpose, not just aesthetics, giving enough room for large cuts of meat like turkey or ham while still keeping heat circulation relatively controlled inside the pan. The lid is a major part of that design, helping trap moisture so the food doesn't dry out during long cooking sessions. The enamel surface also gives it a smoother finish that feels easier to maintain, and it avoids the raw metallic feel you get with simpler steel pans. In real kitchen use, this roaster performs best when you're dealing with large, slow-cooked meals. When you put in the oven, the heat retention feels steady and predictable, which is important when you're roasting something like an 18-pound turkey or a large ham, where timing matters a lot. The enamel surface helps distribute heat more evenly compared to basic steel pans, which reduces the chances of hot spots that can overcook one side while leaving another underdone. The lid plays a big role here too, locking in steam and moisture so the meat stays tender instead of drying out halfway through cooking. Cleanup is relatively simple because of the enamel coating, and most residue tends to release without aggressive scrubbing, although it's still important to avoid harsh tools to protect the surface over time. That said, it's important to understand its limitations so expectations stay realistic. This isn't a lightweight, everyday sauté pan, and it's not meant for quick stovetop cooking versatility. It's also not compatible with induction or microwave use, which immediately narrows its flexibility compared to some modern hybrid cookware options. But within its intended use case, which is oven roasting large meals, it performs consistently and feels more reliable than many thinner budget roasting pans. Compared to basic steel roasting trays, it offers better moisture retention and more even heat distribution. Compared to higher-end enameled cookware like premium Dutch ovens, it gives you similar heat behavior in a larger, more holiday-focused format, though it doesn't have the same premium finish or long-term brand durability reputation. This is the kind of roasting pan that makes the most sense for home cooks who prepare large meals a few times a year but still want something dependable when it matters most. If you're hosting holiday dinners, cooking for extended family, or just prefer roasting large cuts of meat without constantly checking and adjusting, it fits that role well. It's less about everyday convenience and more about consistency when cooking at scale. If your goal is to reduce stress during big meals and avoid the uncertainty that comes with cheaper roasting pans, this is a practical upgrade that quietly improves the entire cooking process. If it feels like it matches what you need in your kitchen, check the link in the description. And if this review helped you understand it better, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest breakdowns of cookware that actually gets used when it matters most.